Hey guys, what's happening? How to make a website in Replit. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead and log in to your Replit account from the login page. Now what you're gonna do, just go ahead and type something like this, right? Create a personal portfolio website for a graphic designer. You can be as detailed as possible. Include sections for about me, portfolio, and contact. And then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and hit start chat, right? Now you're gonna see a plan to make your own website. So I'm not gonna dive really deep into it, but you can follow along the prompt to create your personal portfolio, right? So now they'll propose plan for your graphic designer portfolio website, and you're gonna implement that to create your website. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.